Hey guys, welcome to the Fumble. I'm Crystal Marie. As Super Bowl XLIX drew to an end, two former Seattle Seahawks Legion of Boom teammates, one of whom now plays for the New England Patriots, appeared to be angrily screaming at each other. Thanks to this very intense photo, many believe Brandon Browner was jawing with Richard Sherman. But the interaction between the two wasn't as combative as it appeared, at least according to Browner. "I just said, 'I love you, boy,'" Browner said. "That's my brother. I really got a lot of love for that dude. God bless his heart. He's got a baby on the way, and I hope he's healthy. We're really brothers." Browner further explained the photo on Twitter. "That picture of me and my brother Sherman isn't what it seems. I always bump heads with him. I just usually have a helmet on. Bumping heads with my comrades is how I tap in." Days before the Super Bowl, Browner made headlines by saying that his Patriots teammates should try to break Sherman's injured elbow. "At the end of the day, this is about the Super Bowl," Browner said. "I'm going to tell my teammates, go hit that elbow, go hit that shoulder. Hit it, yeah, try to break it if you can. You can be my best friend after the game, but at the end of the day, I know you want the Super Bowl just as bad as I do." During the third quarter of Super Bowl XLIX, Sherman taunted the Patriots on national television.
All credit, and I don't like that right there, what Sherman done. I don't like it.
It's clear that Sherman was saying something about 24. It's just not clear if he was talking about Darrelle Revis, who wears number 24, or the scoreboard. For more sports news, visit us at thefumble.com. Want more Super Bowl highlights? Click here to watch Seahawks wide receiver Doug Baldwin hoop out a football after scoring a touchdown. And before you go, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of the best highlights from all your favorite sporting events. You know you want to, just click it.